Welcome to a world where the line between reality and imagination blurs, where you can walk the streets of ancient Rome or explore uncharted galaxies, and where innovation is constantly redefining the way we learn, work, and play. Welcome to the world of virtual reality. As virtual reality or VR takes the world by storm, more and more industries are embracing this technology to revolutionize their sectors, from gaming and entertainment to medicine and education. As a result, there's never been a better time to master VR development and transform your career in this rapidly expanding field. We invite you to embark on an exhilarating journey through the realm of VR with the Certified Virtual Reality Developer course. Crafted by leading industry professionals, this comprehensive certification program is designed to equip you with the skills you need to excel in VR development, regardless of your experience level. Through this interactive course, you'll dive deep into VR fundamentals and get hands-on experience with cutting-edge VR tools such as Unity and C#. You'll learn how to integrate VR hardware like Oculus, create immersive games in the metaverse, design lifelike avatars in motion, and even establish your very own virtual store. Additionally, you'll explore the exciting world of WebXR and the integration of virtual worlds with blockchain technology. With the global virtual reality market projected to reach a staggering $20.9 billion by 2028 and potentially impacting up to 23 million jobs by 2030, there's no time like the present to make your mark in this flourishing industry. As VR adoption continues to soar, the demand for skilled VR professionals is skyrocketing. And the Certified Virtual Reality Developer certification is your golden ticket to a thriving career. Blockchain Council's globally recognized certifications will not only equip you with the knowledge and skills to stand out in the VR world, but also serve as a testament to your expertise, giving you the competitive edge you need to excel in the job market. As a certified virtual reality developer, you'll have a treasure trove of resources at your fingertips, including lifetime access to the course materials and certification. Additionally, our dedicated expert support team is available 24/7 to address any questions or concerns you may have, ensuring that you're never alone on your VR development journey. Don't let this opportunity slip through your fingers. Take the first step towards a thrilling career in VR and enroll in the Certified Virtual Reality Developer course today. Together, let's shape the future of immersive experiences and redefine the boundaries of reality.